up, guys? So what's the date today, honey?
December 19th.
December 19th. Okay, so I haven't done a video in like 2 days, so I'm gonna do one today. A couple things I was gonna say is today we're out delivering Christmas presents, which I forgot one in the house that I have to go get. Anyway, I want to talk about insurance today on businesses. I'm going to talk about it a little bit later in the video because it's kind of a big deal when I go to get accounts. It is absolutely a plus that I am insured. Most of you guys know what I mean, that are legitimate businesses. And if you want to legitimize your business, guys, you have to get insured. It is an absolute plus to be able to tell a customer that you have X amount of dollars worth of insurance in case a window gets broken, or a door, or a screen door, or a car window that's setting it, because these mowers are throwing rocks, throwing debris. I don't care what you do, you're not going to stop it. Trimmers do it constantly. So yeah, I'm going to talk about that today. And then the other thing, we are probably going to go GoPro instead of the tablet. We had a deal with Verizon Wireless. That's who our phones are through. We were paying $68 a month. Well, I had to give them all my business papers. They put, you know, you guys that have watched me know I've only been doing YouTube for a little over a month. So they sold me this tablet, and they're telling me, oh, we're going to get you on a business plan. You're going to pay $146 a month for the tablet, the phones, all that. So, you know, we end up paying for the OtterBox and all that stuff. Well, we were out like $350 last month. Now they send us a bill for $250 and say our phones are going up $60 a piece, and the tablet's $140. And basically, I'm saying, F that, okay? I'm not paying that kind of money. You guys added up $250 a month times 2 years, okay? That's a lawnmower. Now, if I don't get to do YouTube, I really don't give a crap. I'm still going to talk to the guys that are doing YouTube. I'm still going to the GIE, and I'm still running a lawn care business. But there ain't no way in hell I'm paying $250 a month for a tablet and 2 phones. Not happening. So I may be getting off of Instagram. More than likely I am. I'm going to miss my sneak peeks from my boy Nick, and I'm gonna miss a lot of you guys, Savannah, Trimmer Queen, Sean, but I'm not paying that kind of money, and I've been with them for 10 years. So my ninja Nick always says loyalty is key. Well, you kind of need to spread that over to Verizon's way, bud, because they have no loyalty. And the woman even admitted, if I was a new customer walking in off the street, they would practically give us 2 new smartphones for $90 a month. So how stupid would anyone be to pay $250 a month? Anyway, that's my rant. That's where we're going today to figure that out. So I may only be making 1 or 2 more videos. Then we are going shopping Friday for a new computer. If I haven't turned this in by then, I'll make a video of it, and then we're going to get a GoPro, and we're just going to do it that way, guys, because a GoPro is a one-time fee of $200 and some change. This is $250 a month. So, yeah, money that could be saved or spent elsewhere, aka backpack blowers, aka green touch racks. You know what I'm saying. So, we'll take you along with us today, and as soon as we're done with Verizon, I'll absolutely let you know. But this tablet, if they're not giving us the price they promised us, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but there was the price that they promised us without tax for a business plan. There was the price that they gave us on a normal plan. So I jumped through hoops to get the business plan, and now they're trying to screw me. Well, a lot of idiots out there, the ones that give the thumbs down on the videos that living in their parents' basement, they're the ones that would pay that. I'm not. So, got anything to add, honey?
Nope.
Ridiculous.
Yep.
So we're going to play Santa today to a little boy that we really just love to death, and to some of my customers, and to somebody that I've gotten pretty close to, you know, not, I mean, as close as you can get over YouTube, but really nice guy. I'd really like to spend some time with him in person. And his family is just amazing. Amazing people. Guys, if you don't do YouTube, and I'm not very good at it, I know that, but if you don't do it, think about doing it, because it really is awesome. The people you meet, just, you know, and I still do not know how to post in the description somebody else's thing, so I'm not saying anything to anybody about anything until I can learn to do that. So guys, we'll be back in a little bit. We'll let you know what happens over at Verizon. If things work out and they'll give us our price. Oh, by the way, this was the bill we were supposed to get and what we were supposed to pay. $144.62. This is the bill they sent me. Now you guys can see my account numbers and stuff there, but it doesn't matter. What are you gonna do? Pay my bill for me? So anyway, that's what happens, guys, when you buy into their BS. But anyway, we'll be back. See you guys in a bit. Say bye, honey.
Bye-bye.
All right, guys, so update, and this is hilarious. We are on the way to Verizon. They literally are 2 minutes from our house. We just got a phone call saying they were issuing us a $100 credit. So we're on our way there. I mean, this gets so awesome because we just got a bill in the mail the other day that said we have a courtesy payment of $0. You can't make this shit up, man. I mean, this is hilarious. So I'm going to show you guys right where Verizon is in relation to our home. I mean, literally, it's going to take us a minute. And they called us to say, we're issuing you a $100 credit on your bill. So here we go. And you guys can see this is how close we were when we got the phone call. Right there is Verizon Wireless. Oh, hold on, guys. Big old chunky tablet. So, yeah. You cannot make this stuff up. This is business in America. This is why, guys, don't ever run your lawn care business this way. Be honest, be truthful. The price is the price, and don't screw people over. We'll be back with you guys. Sorry it's so jumpy and stuff, but this tablet is not light. See you guys. All right, guys, so update on the Verizon situation. Do you have that business card? I do. Andrea and Maggie from Verizon in Columbus, Ohio. After all that rant, you guys would not believe this. So they changed our bill. We are now paying less than $150 a month. And starting February 1st, I will finally have my first smartphone ever. I never thought I would. So after all that ranting and raving about how they were doing us, we finally got some really good service. So I have to hand it to Verizon. You know, I really do. I mean, so I start, loyalty. There it is. That's it, man, at its finest. Andrea was absolutely amazing to us. And I'm going to get a smartphone, unlimited plan, and it's only going to cost us $20 more a month. So February 1st, I'm going that way. I am going to get to keep my tablet, and I don't know what to say. I'm very happy. I'm very pleased. I was upset when I started the video, but, you know, man, loyalty really is key, and honesty, guys. Honesty, be honest. But anyway, I wanted to talk a little bit about, whoa, dropped you there. I want to talk a little bit about the insurance. When I started my business, I did not have insurance. I noticed I was not getting the clientele I wanted. I was not getting the jobs I wanted. And so I noticed some of the jobs I did bid, they were saying, you know, you're going to need at least $2 million worth of business insurance to handle this account. Well, you know, when you're just starting out and there's no money, you're sitting there going, geez, I can't afford that. Well, I have now $2 million worth of business insurance. We're getting ready to do an umbrella policy on our business. And the one thing I can tell you guys is you can't afford not to have it. If you want to take that next step in business, you absolutely do not want to tear property up. You don't mean to do that. None of us mean to do it, but man, it happens. So call an insurance company today. Ask them, you know, what's your rates? I can tell you guys this much. For $2 million worth of business insurance, my policy covers myself. My policy covers both trucks, Justin, the trailers, the mowers, everything, trimmers, blowers, gas cans. I pay $800 a year. Now, I don't know what you guys pay. I mean, if you guys want to leave down at the bottom what you pay, what you're insured at, if you feel comfortable putting that info out there, that's fine. I don't care. I mean, what are you going to do with it? You know, you're going to call someone and say, well, you know, DLT Lawn Care has only got $2 million worth of business insurance. Most of the guys I am competing with have $0 worth of business insurance. And that makes a difference to a homeowner when you have that to represent, and you can say, yes, he's $10 cheaper, but what happens if? And then they say to me, you know what, Shane, I never thought about that. I'm going to have to get back with you and find out if the guy's got insurance. And then I get the call, you know what, I'll take your price. I want you to do it because he has no insurance. And that happens, guys. If that has happened to you, please let me know, because I'd almost guarantee it's happened to some of you guys. Insurance makes a difference, and you want to be covered, because especially if you're a small business and you have very little capital to work with, if something happens to you guys, it can put you out of business and it can ruin your credit. You ruin your credit over something like this, and you're going to have a hard time getting it back. And it could cost you thousands, or, you know, possibly more. So, man, this tablet is a pain in the butt. But I did get a new, my friend Jerry got me a new tripod. I'm going to have to show it to you guys, because next week I'm going to be doing some work in the garage, showing you how to change out some pulleys and stuff like that. Not like you guys don't know how to do it. I just, you know, hey, what are we doing here on YouTube anyway? Just sharing things, right, honey?
Yep.
That's what we do. We share things. But guys, we got to go deliver some presents, ship some things, and we've got to go to see one of my customers. But I really appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate all you guys that have, I appreciate all my new friends. I mean, you guys are really awesome, man. I consider you guys friends, a lot of you. And I'd like to make more friends. I mean, we're all in this together. We are all trying to make a living. There may be guys out here making 10,000. There may be guys making 50 or 100 or 1 million. I don't know. But we're all the same. We all started somewhere. And I'm going to talk about that tomorrow. I'm going to talk about, why did I start my lawn care business? You know, how did I start it? Where was I at in my life? Because I think we're all at different points. You're never going to meet someone that's at the very same point that you are, exactly. So that's why we learn so much off of each other. And anyway, guys, I hope you like the videos I'm putting out. If there's something you want to see, please leave a comment. Nick, thank you for leaving comments and what you want to see. And I'm trying to put it out there for you guys. And I started going to the gym the other day, real quick before I'm done. I started going to the gym, and sure enough, I woke up this morning with a sore throat, sneezing, coughing, stuffy nose. It never fails, man. You go to the gym, it's like Germ City. So once I get over it, I'll be fine. But hey, you know, every lawn care company needs a Mr. Universe. Whoa. Man, this thing is so hard to hold. Every lawn care company needs a Mr. Universe. And yeah, I'm going to be on Sassy's catalog, probably the front page by next year. You know, be about 195 pure lean muscle. That's, yeah, so probably in a Speedo. But all right, guys, anyway, you want to say something, honey?
Bye, everyone.
And I'll talk to you guys soon. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.